Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Happiness Chow. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. For my new subscribers, you are welcome as well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this T frontal lace net wig. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. Bye guys. So now I'll be using a a paper board. You can actually use a cardboard, and you can use brown paper, any type of thing that you know is convenient for you. So now just go ahead and measure for the breadth. I'll measure 12 like this. I'll measure 12, and then yes, you are just going to measure and make sure you are using a tape measure, and you can also use a ruler. There is this sewing ruler too that you can use. Anything you shall know is convenient for you. Now let's say it, go for things that are convenient for you. So I measured 12 for the braids, and then I will go ahead and measure 7 for the length. Yes, I measure 12 for the braids and 7 for the length like this. I'm just going to connect it together with the ruler, and then I will cut it out. So this is when I fold it in together, and I'm going to measure 1 inch, 1 inch. Oh sorry, 1.5 inch, not 1 inch, 1.5 inch. At that particular place I folded, so I'll measure 1.5 inches, and at the tip side I'll measure 2 inches. I will connect them together, and then I will cut it out. Just keep watching. You see the magic apple right in your face. So guys, So the guys, I've cut it out. I'm just trying to measure it just to get the actual measurement. That's 12 for the breadth and 7 for the length. And I'm just going to measure 1 inch at the tip again, and then I'll just knot it with the scissors, and then I'll go right on the net. I'll place this thing on the net and cut it on the net. And when I was cutting it on the net, I left 1 inch, like I left some excess spaces. You're still going to see it. Just keep on watching this video. Put it on the net, and then I will leave some spaces on the net, like just excess. You know, if you have a frontal wig or a T frontal wig, there is always some essence net at the front. Yeah, I didn't add it with the carton I cut, like the cardboard I cut. I didn't add the inches there, so I'm just going to place it on the net and then I'll cut it. So the excess net is just the in case you want to ventilate and you want to install the wig, you know, the excess net will be there. So this is when I've cut it out, and you can see how I cut it out, guys. So keep on watching, guys. So guys, this is when I was done with it. You can see how perfect it looks. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Ebony Style. Please subscribe, like, give my videos a thumbs up, like, share to your other friends, and make sure you watch my next video because I'm going to be dropping a video on how I ventilate on this particular net. Yeah, so see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.